For this recipe, we use the powdered sugar on top again, as we used with the other one. I'm going to use the sifter again. It makes everything prettier when you have a powdered sugar on top. Although it has jelly inside, it doesn't matter. Or if the one that we filled with the caramel inside, just gives it a nice look when you sprinkle it with powdered sugar. Of course, we won't put it on the glaze because the glaze has decoration already, but the ones that don't, gives it a nice look. If you put too much, you can always shake it a little bit. It gives it a nice, tasty look. It's better to place the powdered sugar on top of the donuts not too long before you serve them, because the donuts are oily and the powdered sugar tend to combine with the oil and get sticky, and it's not as pretty, and it doesn't have this pretty look if it stays for too long on top of the donut.